You go over the market, the needs, the competitors, the technology, and how others have succeeded and failed. Again, the key here is honesty. You show the world as it is. That sets up the structure for the rest of the plan. And it's also a great section for you to review every month to remind yourself of where your business is. Okay. So we're heading.
Hello.
So we're heading to chiropractic to have some chiro adjustment.
To have some? Yes, you're right.
Well, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's just how I roll. Tootsie roll. Oh, Tootsie roll.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Everything going okay?
Yeah.
On the left side. Maybe I'll just do a little clicky thing. So you have family in Maui still?
Yeah, my whole family.
Your family?
Yeah.
A lot of people?
Yes.
How many generations?
4.
Wow.
Yep. Sorry. I'm so sleepy. Anyways, today is one heck of a busy day. I work at 4 in the morning, so I have to wake up at 2:30. And right now, the time is 2:52. We just got done with our chiropractor appointment. And it's been more than a month that we are currently on this session 3 times a week, which is it's really helping us a lot, but also it creates a hassle on us. It's hard, you know, like sometimes I have to go before work or I have to go after work, and now I do not only plan for work, but I plan for my chiropractor appointment, which sucks, but it's good for me. So yeah, that's the update for our recovery so far. It's been helping us, but sometimes I still get that tight feeling in my back, which too much. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later because we have some errands to do. Errands. Where to next?
We're going to the bank and gas station to put gas.
Of course. What are you gonna do with the gas station?
Just buy some gas.
Okay, so yeah, we're heading to the bank. The car looks exactly like mine's. We're heading to the bank, and then we are going to fill gas. So talk to you later. Bye.
Alright, everybody. Just wanna give you a information or something tips in your house. So my dilemma right here is the screw is only this small, which means it could break easily. So this one I changed already to long one. This one, so it's pretty solid. I'm going to change this with this guy, and we'll see. See, this is just the small screw that holds the hinge. I don't know, hinge or sorry, Ode is sleeping, so I'm kind of like alright, pretty solid. So that's the tip number 1. Here is my GoPro accessories and stuff. I haven't yet organized it. What is that? Drone, wire, drawer stuff. So this is my drone stuff and my GoPro camera accessories. I have this, but I haven't used this thing. It's like the virtual reality immerse and turbo wells. Alright? Bonus, do the laundry also while painting. Okay?
Good job, Ian.
Thank you. So what we have today? Where you at? I mean, like these are like the new bags. Thank you. What is this bag?
I mean some food.
Plastic.
OMG, good thing wala na buak. I have a okay. Hello, where's the other one?
Somewhere
right here. So I bought this. You know why? I found this video in Facebook. So you put skyflakes and this.
Oh yeah.
Egg and whatever.
You can put also like tuna.
But they don't have
tuna.
Tuna, but they don't have skyflakes. So skyflakes.
So what you bought?
So I bought
Magic flakes.
Magic flakes.
See?
But the flavor is green onion. So
Okay.
yeah, rather than just regular, and then you have a spicy. I'm gonna try this today probably.
Good job. Alright. Back to editing mode. So right now I'm going to show you my desktop. Lately I've been addicted playing StarCraft 2. So right now I'm doing to delete this thing. Oh my gosh, Battle.net. Where's StarCraft 2? I think I just deleted, right? So wait, let's see. Oh, no more StarCraft 2. No more StarCraft 2. Oh, here you go. How come? See? I just delete it. Okay, I'm going to delete that StarCraft 2 also. How to delete this? How come? But anyway, so yeah, I just delete the StarCraft 2 game because that one really eat my time just playing if I have some leisure time. But now I'm trying to focus on one thing, which is secret.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.